Almost to McAfee's Knob.
Gotta sit on that shelf like everybody does. That's the famous seat right there.
Yeah. Tuesday, March 15th, day 28 on McAfee's Knob. One of the most famous spots on the AT. Pretty cool. These are called the Tinker Cliffs. It's the last of the Triple Crown in Virginia, so it was Dragon's Tooth, McAfee Knob, and now the Tinker Cliffs. Oops, it wasn't in focus. Okay, wave again. It's a pretty cool part of the trail. Follows the cliffs. Don't fall off. These trees I like them. Carvin Cove down there. Cool, giant big rock.
I think I'm like, when can we pick you up again?
Staying with Kat and David. It's really nice in Roanoke. We ended up doing 2 nights there. They picked us up, dropped us off, then picked us up, dropped us off again. So still got in like 23 miles each day and got some great food and great rest. That was really kind of needed after such hard days in the snow. Legs felt pretty tired. My foot, it still hurts, the top of the foot, but I think it'll be all right. Just keep walking on it, let it heal. Today, gonna go through the Ridge Parkway, which should be nice and rolling and not too bad. And it's supposed to start raining again a little bit later in the day. So that'll be fun. We got out pretty late today. Didn't start hiking until about 11:15 or so. Still gonna try and do 30. So that'll probably be past midnight or later. But yeah, I'm just really trying to get out of the mindset of feeling pressured or feeling rushed, and just, hike as long as you need to hike, and don't worry, like, the time is just a number on the watch. Not that big of a deal. So get rid of all those emotional associations with, like, oh, it's too late to hike, too tired or whatever, and just do what you need to do. It's starting to rain, so gotta put this camera away. This is the Ridge Parkway. And this scenic little tourist highway that people will drive, and the AT follows it for a pretty long time. And you'll cross over the highway multiple times. Here's a view of Taylor Mountain. Guessing it's that mountain maybe. Now my left calf hurts with every step, probably because the inflammation in the right foot is causing my gait to change a little bit. But there's always something that hurts. The beginning of the hike, it's usually the feet and blisters, and then it just kind of moves all around your body. I'm sure if I weren't feeling this pain, there would be some other pain that I'd be feeling that this is overpowering. But none of it should be like injury. So just gonna walk through it. It's been raining, and got 13 more miles. It's 6 o'clock now, so that'll probably be another 5.5 hours. So right around 11:30 midnight. We made it just under 12 hours. It's not even 11:30 right now, so that's pretty cool. And it's been raining for the last 3 or 4 hours. We saw another hiker, Optimus Grime. He started in January sometime at the last shelter. And yeah, eat dinner and go to bed. This is the Bryant Ridge shelter, one of the nicest shelters on the AT. Big porch. You come inside. There's the bottom level. Very tall roof, and then up top sleeps several more. Supposed to be able to sleep 20 in here. This is day 30. Done pretty well. Gonna be almost 800 miles by the end of today. On a climb right now, it's 5 miles, 2,500 feet straight up. A lot of climbing today actually, but it'll be a town day. Get to Glasgow, hitting so many towns. I still need to rest up my foot and my calf. They both hurt a little bit still. Hoping they keep getting better. Once I start walking on it, it's not so bad. Yeah, rained all night last night. It's really warm. Probably mid-50s right now. Back in the fog and the clouds. It's raining again. At least it's not too cold though. Yeah. Crossing the Ridge Parkway again. Wow. What an incredible view. Sun finally came out. It's pretty decent little ridgeline views. Walking along the Blue Ridge Highway. Blanking on that name. Getting hiker brain right now. Blue Ridge. That is the James River down there. Cross it in about 5 miles.
How you guys doing?
This is the longest pedestrian-only bridge on the AT. It's pretty neat. This river is pretty big, and people will jump off of this bridge. I'm not gonna jump. That'd be a dumb way to end this trip.